Okay, so they have a 2003 Subaru Outback LL Bean Edition. I'm going to show you how to remove the rear seat. This is the rear seat. There's no bolts or anything holding it in as far as getting the seat out. The first step, you're going to come down here. This is the passenger side. You're going to fish around until you find this. Pull it and it'll come up. So you still have some work to do if you're removing the whole seat. There's some screws right there and on the other side, or you can just remove the one screw here and the one screw over there and have the whole bracket come out as well. This is very useful when you're cleaning the vehicle. Look at all that junk out here that the detailer missed when he was detailing it. So also if you lose something, it'll help a lot. And to put it back down, you just push it just back down like that and you're good to go.